Hey guys, Jacob here at ePoolSupply. Today, we're at a job. We got an Intellicenter, and I'm gonna show you guys how to delete a schedule. So stay tuned, let's take a look at how to delete the schedule. All right, so first things first, what you wanna do is wake up the panel, just press it, and it kind of brightens everything up a little bit. And then what you're gonna do is click on the schedules in the bottom left. So schedules. So you're gonna see pool, spillway, pool high. So when you press them, there's no delete button. So I'm gonna go back. What you're gonna see is a trash can on the right. So what I wanna do is press that trash can first, and now you click the schedules that you wanna delete. So let's just delete spillway for now. I've highlighted it, and I click select. It says, are you sure, pretty much? Yes. And now, she gone. So, that's how you delete a schedule. I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.